Hey guys! So to start off, I'm gonna be starting with my moisturizer, the Pond's Dry Skin Cream. I'm just applying it in the areas where I need it, where my skin usually gets dry, which is around the nose, cheeks, chin, and forehead. For my foundation, I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty Faux Filter Foundation with this Real Technique sponge. And just dotting it all over my face, and then once I finish dotting it all over, go ahead and blend it in.
It helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene he describes.
This foundation is in the shade Dulce de Leche. It's a little bit too light for me, but with the powder that I'll be using, which is the Maybeline Fit Me powder, it will darken it up just a little bit. I like to bring it down to my neck, my collarbones, just to match everything very well. With the Neutrogena wipes, I'm gonna wipe the excess of foundation on my eyebrows and on my lips. Using the True Match powder in W8, I'm gonna use it as a bronzer on my cheekbones, temples, and just all over my face. Also bronzing my nose a little bit. Using the palette Shade in Light by Kat Von D, I will take a dark brown and shade in my eyebrows. Nothing special, just following the natural lining of my eyebrows. Using this palette, I'm taking this burgundy color and this shade of brush, applying it on my eyelids and just blending it as much as I can. I'm not really going for that perfect look. I really like the messy, grungy kind of makeup look. Taking this dark shade of brown, I will apply it in the middle of my eyelids. Taking the same brush, I'm just going to turn it around and use the other side to blend in my crease. With this pointer brush, taking the burgundy shade and applying it underneath my lower lash line. Taking the Maybelline Lasting Drama waterproof gel pencil in the color Striking Copper, I will apply it in my inner corners just for a hint of highlight. Taking the Kat Von D tattoo liner, I'm just going to be doing a very simple line. For my waterline, I'll be using L'Oreal Paris Infallible 16 Hour in the color Carbon Black. For mascara, I'm taking Covergirl Exhibitionist. For blush, I'm using Ofra Madison Miller blush in Sweet Stuff. Applying it on my cheeks, and also I like applying it on my nose because it makes me look like I'm blushing. Taking Tarte's Tartiest lip paint in Acid Wash, I'll apply it on my lips. Now for highlight, I'll be using Glow Kit from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Don't forget the nose. To set my face, I'll use Rose Water Hydrating Face Mist by Pearl Essence. And there you go. This is a edgy burgundy look. I really hope you guys enjoy it. It was very easy to do and I hope you guys liked it. So like, subscribe, and comment below. Bye!